The Miracle Nation workers, of my Ghana, now Ghana, our same quan. We are confronting movie, we say our same demo. Dimmy say demo. Ghana, the our same quan, now I know into a highway, so now call highway Nangasaswa. Minister Bisu at the highway, so a minister of the high routes, a highway and routes, a Francis Asenso-Boakye. Endrano releasing new app be as Siano or so potholes area frelmo number barbe on my sort out. A moon common ever change to subscribe to ZionRadio GH. We are buzz of the day and you try Haba. Yes, and an American, then I could be a highway in Suna and a minister for roads and highway, Francis Asenso-Boakye. Our assembly or the about to IG. Then there are not say releasing app be a to maintain my road. And to say I know much I road in us now potholes in Yama also no. They say I know Onya Kochi app no Play Store now bar. No answer be potholes no. Now they are or they are sending more app no so. So at as in no manga somebody then on menya assistance and ankophobia my bed on my beshomo intend muna. Now, I end on for Ghpage in so or post here and during the ceremony no post a launching of app no.
The Ministry of Roads and Highways introduces Maintain My Road, an initiative designed to empower citizens to easily report road defects through a dedicated call center and mobile app. Seeing a pothole on the road? Call our dedicated number 030-700-7001 during working hours. Download the Maintain My Road app from the App Store or Play Store and take a picture of the defect. Automatically, our system will capture the geolocation and essential information of your complaint. Our team ensures that every report is logged, categorized, and forwarded to the right department for action. Then, our maintenance team is dispatched to resolve the reported issue, ensuring safer roads for everyone. Call our dedicated number now. Download the Maintain My Road app.
Now, I can send you as a moon seminar making kind children. Was we who say near Mecano, and ye be a mena mashadana, may come in Numa Sembia and answer Davy, which means a Ghana for Nazano. Our semi or day. Na Ghana de we beka waiting man we see before. And you know making camera I'm also at TV. Now I say this morning I launched a maintenance mobile app dubbed Maintain My Road and a call center as part of an enhanced maintenance program of the Ministry of Roads and Highway aimed at involving the public, addressing potholes and other road defect issues on our road network. Not just any potholes in Nkwa. And there might be a road in the South China and cars now, a chumuna, and I say a house shocks now. O car shots, I'll be denying there no business car shots, say Buno, Oceana, and no how Fremo, and I change our app on. Ne chop picture, na fast any na yet twice me to our reading so. Now, I say since 2017, the Ekufuado Bawumia administration has constructed 6 new interchanges, 35 bridges, and 12,830.33 kilometers of routes, as against 4,636 kilometers by previous administration. That is all. New change of Momono, or my Omodiana Quay, previous administration, member opponent, but Omomucha, dear chain, now, as a successive government have made significant progress in roads infrastructure development essential for socio-economic development. However, there remains a gap in the routine maintenance of these roads, which has led to issues such as potholes, road defects, limited rural access, accidents, and urban congestion. Also, because of your road now ending into the more accidents, but we said this week in Ofa Kumasi Highway in Ankasaswa, Master potholes in Yama was no. Meaning say Kofu be because accident be accident ba kubia say taxi be ne tanker because ya taxi ni ra na unu ba tanka na ono tike no mu no de ye hu be bi fine nti ni na nam ye kwan we so nti no enam app we so nti no ube ombeso so bibia no na ye to aye reading so say to tackle these challenges no ti hani ye ministry has introduced these innovative solutions including the call center and mobile app to ensure timely and effective public reporting and maintenance. To ensure timely and effective public reporting and maintenance. Let's say a hono. Utwaye na de send omo a let's say they are omo ba no. They are ready to respond to what Ghanaians. Because this year no enu na ekunye pa. Enye bad dey but adi we dey yen say that home fast. Any munye road no for prekwen na potholes dey. I was say ube apa old be kata potholes. Okay, and also bit more about all the same me to also. I see these tools will enhance road condition, address public concerns, and boost community involvement in improving Ghana roads and infrastructures. Sena ono kanono, and now app no the abano. Ebeboa ama a road no like aboa because oshe cars far road no so a binya accident. E be so complaining about fault. Nti ama sa nyamani na de nsem bebreba. Na ebeboa because ye hwe villages for no mo de aduane bre en kran na Accra na omo so mo bre because omo road no kra anye. Enti no but to me it's a good suggestion. And Ghana dey obi atumi kire na adwen. That's right. But we are the bia ehun hyedan hia misa. But udimu say enti no say opese ehun say yampa na Ghana dey own. We have to put things to test to see say ne nipa na ka no yampa. Enya say bia wa be twa entro na wa fan ho edi so what I say. Enti no me ka che me follow say obi a unya porto bia o kwan so a twa na fa send omo na yen hwe say ampa yen fa hwe say ampa say omba be edwuma enti no oko Play Store a no atwe maintain my road my member app ni di ni no anka say maintain my road enti oko Play Store a akotwe ana App Store a wana akotwe maintain the my road eno eho na awde de obe input information utwa portal na now the information I can see your location see until make sure that portal is in the mom. So as I say, sena also car shops enko say na am wait to message this card at 2 butu na sisi at kan cry din. So what I say, inteno aha na me di dwumadi anibesi na sena de bia me kan no any information bia baba bia no me de bebro. Subscribe our ZionRadio Ghpage we buzz of the day. Like, share and comment. Makramo.
ZionRadio.gh, where trends unravel.